We live in a world of constant distraction. You're 5 seconds away from finding out that there's a World War III or that there's a new Dune movie coming out. And although this endless stream of information can be handy, we often turn to our devices for a quick boost of dopamine simply because we're doing nothing. The problem is we constantly try to occupy ourselves, vaulting from one screen to another, watching the new Mr. Beast video or catching up on the next episode. The thing that gets in the way of everything is the goddamn phone. All of it is a distraction that has been meticulously designed to consume our biggest asset, time. Way too much of my time has been spent online. You know, it's not always just Instagram or TikTok. There are some good things that I use my phone for. You could actually make the most out of the technology that we have nowadays and do something productive with it. It's like helping me come up with a new video idea. But a lot of it is just white noise, and it's so easy to get pulled into the rabbit hole. It feels like our phones have become a part of us, and no matter where we go or what we do, they're always connected to us. And you stop and wonder, what did I do for fun when I was bored? So in search of a solution, I remembered a podcast that I listened to by Jay Shetty, and he said something along the lines of, to be present, focus on the task at hand. If you're eating, savor every bite. Don't watch TikTok or Netflix while you're eating. Just eat and be present. And this quote really made me think about how much time I spend on my phone while I'm doing everything else in my life. You're just distracting yourself from doing the things that you need to be doing. Almost there. The obvious solution is to put away the phone, but it's a lot easier said than done. We have to look at the phone as a relationship, because the truth is, these things aren't going away anytime soon. There's a time and place to watch funny Instagram reels, but it can't be something you do all the time. So I made sure that whenever I'm eating or doing anything that doesn't require me to have my phone, I make sure that it's far away out of my sight. Everything that you need is in the disposal of your two hands. You need time to think without any distractions and do normal, mundane, boring tasks. I used to hate folding laundry, and I honestly still do, but it's not that bad. If your phone's not in your face while you're doing it, if you just go on autopilot and fold the laundry, just do what's in front of you, and you're gonna save a lot of time. Don't be a robot. At first, it was really hard because I have my phone on me all the time. I'm not a superhuman, or am I? I realized that I don't have to have music playing while I'm in the shower all the time, or queuing up a new podcast while I'm out for a walk. Because I feel like when you try to do everything, you can't focus on anything. But when you do nothing, you can focus on everything. So take time today to sit with your thoughts and do simple tasks around the house. Even if it's just for a moment, it can be really relaxing and a great way to unplug, which is a whole lot better than neglecting your inner thoughts and distracting yourself on the phone. Go read a book, go for a walk, go sit outside, do anything in the real world, because it's often in these moments when you get your best ideas.